Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check potassium levels at home, only way. Use a fingerstick potassium meter kit and follow the device steps closely. First, wash and dry your hands, then collect a small blood sample on the test strip. Insert the strip into the meter and wait for the digital reading. Compare the result to the device reference and contact your healthcare provider for abnormal values or next steps. Begin by clearing a small workspace and washing your hands to reduce contamination. Open the meter kit and check strip expiration dates and packaging integrity before use. Warm your hands under warm water for a minute to improve blood flow and select the side of a fingertip for comfort. Prepare the lancet, produce a small drop of blood, and apply it to the strip per the meter instructions to get an accurate reading. Quick recommendation: if you enjoy reliable home testing, a good reading habit helps you learn more about your health. Read anywhere with the new Kindle Paperwhite for crisp text and long battery life, perfect for study breaks between tests. If you found this useful, please subscribe and like so I can make more practical guides. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Place the strip into the meter and wait for the prompt before applying your blood drop to ensure accuracy. Touch the drop gently to the strip and avoid smearing or contaminating the sample area. The meter will analyze and show a numeric potassium value, which you should note immediately. Repeat the test only if the meter reports an error, and always consult your healthcare provider for guidance on abnormal or concerning results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.